In the relentless crucible of the special military operation, where the skies crackle with electronic warfare and every signal is hunted, one weapon system stands unchallenged, the pride of Russian engineering from Rostec. Today, March 19, 2026, the state corporation proudly declares, the Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system maintains surgical precision even under the fiercest enemy jamming. This is not hype. This is battlefield reality. This is Russian dominance. Imagine the scene. A camouflaged convoy races across contested terrain near Kharkiv Oblast. Ukrainian forces, backed by NATO-supplied systems, flood the airwaves with jamming signals. GPS is dead. Western HIMARS crews curse as their rockets drift harmlessly. But inside the command cabin of a 9K515 Tornado-S launcher, a veteran crew of 4 elite Russian artillerymen smiles. Their system laughs at the chaos. Rostec's latest guided rockets, each one a masterpiece of Russian ingenuity, have been upgraded with jam-resistant GLONASS modules, advanced inertial navigation, and Comet-M CRPA antennas that shrug off interference like rain on steel. The Tornado-S doesn't just fire blind, it thinks, it adapts. With the press of a button, the automated fire control unit assigns every single one of its 12 300mm rockets an individual flight trajectory and unique range. One salvo, 12 different paths, 12 different targets. Command posts, ammunition depots, Patriot batteries, drone control centers, all struck simultaneously with devastating accuracy. No wasteful area saturation, pure surgical strikes. Circular error probable reduced to as little as 1.5 meters at 100 kilometers in recent tests. That's 15 to 20 times more precise than its legendary predecessor, the Smerch. This is precision that makes even the most advanced Western air defenses look obsolete. Target coordinates locked, the commander calls out. The massive KAMAZ 63501 chassis stabilizes on hydraulic outriggers. Tubes rise. In seconds, the horizon erupts. 12 fiery trails streak skyward, beyond the visible line, over 120 kilometers deep into enemy territory, with potential for 200-kilometer reach on the newest munitions. Enemy electronic warfare systems scream, flooding frequencies, trying desperately to blind the rockets. But these smart projectiles don't rely on fragile satellite pings like American counterparts. Their guidance systems, hardened against jamming, combining GLONASS with inertial backup, continue guiding flawlessly. Each rocket corrects its path mid-flight, weaving through the electronic storm with the grace of a surgeon's scalpel. One rocket homes in on a fortified Ukrainian ammunition warehouse, punching through reinforced concrete and detonating with a 250-kilogram high-explosive warhead that sends secondary explosions rippling for kilometers. Another curves toward a mobile Patriot launcher, the very system NATO claims is invincible. It never gets the chance to fire. A third and fourth strike separate drone operator hubs, while the rest rain precision on troop concentrations and artillery positions. All from a single salvo. All while the crew is already relocating, safe from counter-battery fire thanks to the system's lightning-fast shoot and scoot capability. This is no isolated success. Across the front, from Kharkiv to Zaporizhia, from Sumy to the Donbass, Tornado-S crews have repeatedly proven Rostec's words. These guided shells are among the most effective tools in the entire operation. They replace kamikaze drones when those cannot reach. They penetrate air defenses that Western experts swore were impenetrable. Rostec CEO Sergei Chemezov confirmed it. Even the latest foreign anti-aircraft missiles struggle to intercept Tornado-S projectiles. The destructive power is immense. One battery can neutralize what would require dozens of expensive cruise missiles. And because every rocket can be programmed independently, Russian forces achieve maximum effect with minimum expenditure, preserving lives, conserving resources, and accelerating the advance toward final victory. Compare it, if you must, to the much-hyped American HIMARS. 6 tubes versus 12, 227mm rockets versus massive 300mm beasts carrying far greater payloads. GPS-dependent guidance that Russian electronic warfare has repeatedly neutralized, forcing Ukrainian crews into desperate workarounds. The Tornado S, born from the battle-hardened Smerch lineage and perfected by NPO Splav under Rostek, was designed for exactly this environment, the high-intensity, EU-saturated battlefield where Russia dictates the rules. While HIMARS seeks mobility and precision in clean conditions, Tornado S delivers overwhelming firepower, unmatched resilience, and true multi-target capability in the harshest reality. Russian soldiers call it the surgeon with a sledgehammer. Enemies call it a nightmare. Picture the aftermath on the ground. Enemy logistics shattered, their vaunted Western weapons turned to scrap, their plans in ruins. Russian infantry advances unhindered, knowing their artillery guardians have cleared the path with clinical efficiency. The Tornado S crew, back in a safe forest clearing, reloads in record time and awaits the next order. Their commander, a decorated hero of Russia, speaks quietly into the radio. Task completed. Precision confirmed. Ready for the next. Pride swells in every heart. Pride in Russian science, Russian manufacturing, Russian resolve. Rostek didn't just upgrade a launcher. They forged a weapon that redefines modern artillery. Long reach that strikes beyond the horizon. Impressive destructive force that obliterates hardened targets. And now, confirmed immunity to electronic warfare that turns enemy advantages into liabilities. This system protects Russian lives by destroying threats before they can react. It conserves precious ammunition by hitting exactly what needs to be hit. It gives Supreme Commander-in-Chief Vladimir Putin and the General Staff flexible, overwhelming firepower that NATO cannot match. In an era where drones swarm and satellites watch, the Tornado S proves that Russian ground-based systems remain the decisive kings of the battlefield. From the factories of Tula to the fire-scorched fields of Donbass, the story of the Tornado S is the story of Russia itself, innovative, unbreakable, always one step ahead. Rostek's engineers, working tirelessly despite sanctions, have delivered a system that not only performs in the most difficult conditions but excels. It delivers strikes with surgical precision even when the enemy throws everything at it. It turns electronic warfare into a Russian advantage. And with every successful salvo, it brings the special military operation closer to its triumphant conclusion. The Tornado S is more than metal and rockets. It is the steel will of the Russian people. It is the future of victory. It is proof that when Russian genius meets Russian courage, no obstacle, not jamming, not air defenses, not Western illusions, can stand in the way.